Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore.
Friends, today in our Forgotten Lore kitchen, I am going to prepare this plant. This is Trianthema portulacastrum. Already we have discussed about this plant in one of our previous video in our channel. Today I am going to prepare this Trianthema fried rice, a simple recipe. So we will discuss about the recipe. Now I am collecting the plant. Here I am collecting the plant with root. Generally, people are treating this as a weed and they remove it with root and they simply throw it. Today for our preparation, I am removing the plant from the root because we are going to use all the parts of this plant. So after collecting the plant, we have to clean it. I am collecting these plants from our farm. The area is completely organic, that is we are not applying any fertilizer except the bio compost like that. Cow dung, farmyard manure I am applying. Otherwise we have few chickens in the farm, so their residues also I am applying. Other than that, no chemical fertilizers are permitted inside the farm. So now I have collected 3 plants. Only 3 plants are enough because this plant it spreads on the ground so that it produces more leaves and stems. You can identify this plant with the help of its small beautiful pinkish flowers. The flowers are small. We can identify easily with the help of the flower. This plant grows along with the other weeds. So we have to identify it thoroughly and then we have to bring it. You can see other weeds are also coming with this, but we have to select and bring this plant. The leaves and stems are little fleshy and the flowers are small pinkish in color and they have 5 petals. So with the help of this we can identify the plant clearly. And now I have collected the healthy plants. I have cleaned it, I have washed it, and now we have to chop them. This Trianthema is used as a food as well as medicine. In India, in our traditional system of medicine, it is one of the important medicinal herb. In case of Ayurveda, Siddha and all, even in naturopathy, it is recommended. To get more health benefits from this Trianthema, instead of taking it as a medicine, we can take it as a food. In rural India, particularly in southern part of India, in the villages, commonly this plant is used as a food. They prepare different kinds of dishes by using this Trianthema. I have chopped this green leafy vegetable into small pieces. Other needed materials are garlic. I have peeled and cut garlic into small pieces, and then one onion. I have cut it into long pieces, and one of the very important ingredient for this preparation is broken green gram dal. So I have taken that also. Since it is a fried rice, to increase the deliciousness, I have taken few cashew also. Now for the preparation, I have kept the tawa on the stove. On that I have added few spoons of coconut oil, and I have prepared the white rice. This white rice is the leftover rice. I am preparing this dish with the leftover plain white rice. So in that white rice I have mixed a spoonful of coconut oil and little of salt. We have to mix it and keep. So while preparation, it will be very easy for us to mix the rice. Mix this rice thoroughly. Now the oil is hot enough. In that I have added mustard. So it has started to splatter. With this I am adding the broken green gram dal. This increases the deliciousness of the dish. It is getting roasted nicely. We have to get a nice flavor. With this I have added cut onions. Fry these onions nicely till it becomes translucent. With this I am adding the cut garlic pieces. It will give the nice aroma to the dish. Now I have added the cut green leafy vegetable, that is the Trianthema. The cut Trianthema I have added. We need not add water to this since the plant itself is full of water. That water itself is enough for its cooking. Nicely we have to toss and mix this vegetable in this hot oil. In the hot oil it will get cooked nicely. We can see the water is oozing out of the leaf. Almost the leaf got cooked. With this now I am adding the chili powder. I have added the pure chili powder. If we have sambar powder, we can add sambar powder also. Nicely mix it, and now I am adding salt. So after adding salt, definitely water will come out from any green vegetable. So now also the water from the leaf, it will come out. So now I have kept it closed. The lid should be with a little opening, because in case of any green leafy vegetable, the toxic substance will come out in the form of vapor. So we should not permit it to enter inside the food. It has to vaporize. So we have to keep it closed with opening, or we have to cook it without closing with the lid. So mix it thoroughly. With that water itself, the leaf got cooked well. Now I am adding the cashew pieces. Nicely mix it, and it will get roasted in this hot oil now. Now almost it is ready. With this we have to add the prepared rice. So it will be very, very delicious if we prepare the rice in the leftover rice. So nicely mix this rice with the prepared Trianthema leaves. In low flame we have to prepare it. So now the food is ready, friends. It has been served. With this I am taking 2 hot cookies that will be highly delicious. Let us taste the food. Friends, while preparation of this dish, I have collected and kept the roots of this plant safely. So from this root we can prepare different kinds of dish. Actually, we can prepare some healthy energy drink from this simply by boiling it in water. Otherwise, we can use it like ginger also. Simply we can crush it and we can add it to any other dish like soup or rasam, or even in sambar we can crush and add. It will give some health benefits to us. Coming to the health benefits of this plant, already we have discussed about that. I can say it is one of the miracle plant, and the reports say that it is rich in omega-3 fatty acid also. So it is good for any cardiac patients or the patients who are suffering with hypercholesterolemia. So I will give our earlier video in the iCards, and as well as in the description box I will give the link, so kindly refer that one. Dear friends, since it is growing naturally everywhere, we should not neglect this plant. It has miraculous health benefits. So kindly, whenever you get this plant, kindly prepare any kind of food from this plant and consume it, and give me your feedback in the comment section. Today I have posted only one recipe of this plant. I am planning to give more videos on different kinds of simple recipes from this Trianthema. So kindly, whenever you get time, watch them.
So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section, so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.